Welcome back to another edition of Pop-Up Ologies. We're going a bit off the trail this week to talk about a topic that's near and dear to the hearts here at the Centerville, Washington Park District, and that is the study of parks itself. Parkology might not technically be a science, but we're going to treat it like one today. We'll explore Hither Green, the newest of our parks, to take a closer look at how and why parks are built. Not to mention all the different ways our parkologists work to make sure everyone in our community has a chance to get out and explore our big backyard. So settle in and let's learn a little bit more about parkology. With 51 parks and over 1,000 acres of land to take care of, you won't be surprised to learn that it takes a big team of highly trained parkologists to ensure things stay safe, clean, and ready to meet our community's outdoor needs. We checked in with Ken Carter, our park operations manager, to learn a little bit more about what our operations staff do on a daily basis to achieve these goals. It takes a team of nearly 30 full-time and part-time parkologists, plus a team of volunteers to help keep our parks and playgrounds in tip-top shape. Many of them pursued an education in natural resource and turfgrass management and have lots of specialized skills too. Why such a big team? Well, they have a lot to get done. When it comes to our parks, if you can see it, it needs to be taken care of in some way, whether that's being cleaned, repaired, planted, or mowed. Our operations staff are also responsible for park checks, which is a process of ensuring each of our locations stays in tip-top shape. We have our operations staff to thank for clean trash cans in bathrooms and for keeping our trails clear of obstacles. They make sure that playground equipment is safe and secure, that drinking fountains are working properly, and that the area is free of litter and trash, among many other things too. Our parkologists take care of our neighborhood playgrounds and our big nature parks like Bill Yeck and Grant Park a little bit differently, but they both play an important role in the community. Unstructured play is not only super important, but a lot of fun too, and when you think about it, all parks are pretty much just one big playground. So what about Hither Green? Creating this newest park was a joint effort between Washington Township and the Centerville, Washington Park District, with the aid of an Ohio Public Works Clean Ohio grant and lots of input from the community too. Building a brand new park isn't something that happens overnight. To learn more about what the process entails, we reached out to our project manager Nick Meyer to see if he had any information to share. Let's send it over to Summer Naturalist Hannah Fry to talk about what we learned.
From its founding in 1959, it has been the vision of the Park District to preserve open spaces and to provide a nearby park to everyone in our community. Every park's creation was a little bit different, but there are a few steps we can follow to get a better idea of the process in general. First things first, land has to be acquired, either through a purchase, a developer donation, or grant funding. But not just any land will do. Each plot has to meet certain criteria to make sure it can properly serve its intended purpose. For example, the preservation of a green corridor where wildlife can safely move and travel, areas that could be used for educational or recreational activities, or maybe just land where creating pathways and trails would improve access for the public. We also keep an eye out for places where we can maintain or improve the native habitats and protect waterways too. Turning to the land into a park is a long process that can take upwards of 3 to 5 years. It's important that everything is carefully thought through and implemented in a way that benefits both the community and the land itself as much as possible. Through surveys and community meetings, those in the neighborhoods nearest to the new park can lend their voices on what features and amenities they'd like to see. Perhaps a playground or a dog park, water fountains or hiking trails, or maybe a memory garden. A team of consultants and park staff will then begin to work on an action plan and make it happen.
It will take a lot of different parkologists to get the job done. Heavy machine operators and mechanics, arborists and landscapers, carpenters and construction workers. Everyone works together to make sure that it all goes smoothly, but good things take time. Even after the seeds are planted, it will still be a while before the flowers bloom. Construction began on Hither Green Park in the autumn of 2019, and there are still finishing touches being done today in the summer of 2021. I can't wait to see the meadow 5 years from now, or how tall the saplings have grown in 10, and I hope that 50 years from now, or 100 or more, that our vision will hold true, and our community will keep exploring its big backyard for generations to come. We hope you enjoyed this newest installment of Pop-Up Ologies, and can't wait to see you next time.